What's up, my sweat hearts? Welcome to tutorial for To Be Loved / Am I Ready by Lizzo. Let's get started. We're going to start with a little right hop, left hop, right hop, left hop towards the front. Arms. Left hand's going to brush the right shoulder. Push, switch, push, push, and push. We start on that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we go right back tap, left back tap, right back tap, left back tap. And the arms going back are elbow hit, elbow hit, elbow hit, elbow hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat to the shoulders again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This time we take grapevine back. 1, 2, 3, clap. 4, 5, 6, 7, clap. 8. And you can clap anywhere you like, under the leg, behind the back, over the head, dancer's choice. Let's repeat 2 times. Second time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With those elbows, 1, tap, tap, tap. Again, brush it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Facing the front. We start on that right foot, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats 2 times. All right, we just came back with the second grapevine, second time through, clap. We're gonna run it to the right. We're gonna run 1, 2, 3, jump 4, 5, jump 6, 7, jump 8. We're gonna punch up. So a little bit faster, obviously, and jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Landing on this 4, 6, and 8. We run back. 1, 2, 3. Same feet. The arms will come from behind the back. So first left arm, then right arm, then left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Run back one more time to the right, this time punch up again. 1, 2, 3, punch 4, 6, 8. And then we step. 1, 2, 3 together, 5, 6, 7 together. We're gonna get a little heart here. We're gonna go heart, 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 heart. It's kind of hard to keep the heart when you go here, but it's here, yeah. So we go pa, 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 step and cross. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. This time we jump up and left. 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So arms punch up, arms punch side for 3, up, heart, hearts, then left, right, left, up, side, and up with the heart. Let's see if it's in the front. We just did grapevine back, clap, am I ready? We run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 6. Heart, heart, and heart. Run again. Arms up this time. Up, up, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Heart, heart, and heart. So we just learned the verse with the shoulders, the elbows, the shoulders, the grapevine, and the chorus, which is the run with the punches from the back, the punches with the heart. That repeats chorus, verse, and then we have a bridge. Kind of the same step that we did from the beginning with the brush, but the hand's gonna be a little different. So we're gonna step 1, 2, just like before, but the left hand's gonna come across the body. No, you didn't. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can really get into that jump there. So we have 4 of those. We step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have those penguin arms. We just walk back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with the right foot, we brush it. Rock it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah? So we have little penguin arms. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we step on the right foot, step out, we clap, that it says to in the music, and we turn back and we have 2 jumping jacks. Legs go out and out and. It repeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We take it back on the right foot. 1, 2, 3. Rock it right front and back. Arms over the head and down. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap. Step right. Clap front. Turn back 2 jacks. Jack and jack. Am I ready? Chorus. A lot of jumping on this one. I'm going to show that face in the front. Here we go. So we did verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Here's our bridge. Start on that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it back right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rock front, right. Rock back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeats. Right foot, left arm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap. Turn back 2 jacks. Out and out to repeat. Yeah, so those arms on the little penguin walk. So when we come from the back, we just went up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right foot goes back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right foot goes forward, front and back. Arms rock and rock. Repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, turn, jump, bean, jack. Am I ready? The punch for 3. All right, my friends, that's all the choreography. Let's dance it.
Girl, I'm about to have a panic attack. I did the work, it didn't work.